everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you how to get this hairstyle right here, and I am using the Design Essentials product. I believe it's like more of the hydrating line. So this hairstyle I would probably wear out to like a date or like on Valentine's Day. It's very easy, honestly. And I got these clips from Nasty Gal for like, or not Nasty Gal, Pretty Little Thing for about $5. So they're very inexpensive. And I am also using this curling iron right here, and this is from, I don't know how you pronounce it, Nume. It's Nume. I will link it down below. But yeah, if you want to learn how to get this hairstyle here and kind of see the step-by-step of washing my hair and putting the conditioner and the leave-in conditioner and all of those other products, then just keep on watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. I just finished doing my hair and styling it as well, so I do have a bare face. I am gonna go do my makeup very quickly. I am probably just gonna throw on some foundation, concealer, you know, typical things to just kind of not look so dead, and a little bit more presentable, and then I will be right back.